Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to explore a powerful principle that lies at the core of every successful endeavor, the art of forcing ourselves to get it done. In a world filled with distractions, self-doubt, and obstacles, the ability to push through and achieve our goals becomes not just an asset, but a necessity. Success does not come to those who wait, it comes to those who act decisively, who muster the courage to forge ahead despite challenges. Our lives are shaped by our choices, and today we will delve into the motivations and strategies that compel us to take action. Understanding the power of intention. At the heart of any achievement lies a clear intention. It is not enough to have a fleeting desire. We must cultivate a steadfast commitment to our goals. Intention acts as a compass, guiding our actions and decisions. When we set a clear intention, we create a mental framework that aligns our thoughts, emotions, and actions. This alignment is critical as it directs our energy towards what truly matters. Intentions must be powerful and specific. Vague aspirations lead to vague results. It's essential to articulate exactly what we want to accomplish and why it matters. This clarity fuels motivation, transforming wishful thinking into actionable steps. The clearer our intention, the more likely we are to push through obstacles and distractions. Moreover, intention should resonate with our core values and beliefs. When our goals align with who we are at our core, we are motivated to pursue them. This intrinsic motivation is a powerful driving force that propels us forward even when the going gets tough. It becomes a source of resilience, allowing us to withstand setbacks and challenges. By establishing a powerful intention, we create a foundation for success. It serves as a reminder of our purpose and keeps us anchored during turbulent times. As we embark on our journeys, let us take a moment to reflect on our intentions and ensure they are aligned with our deepest aspirations. Embracing discipline as a tool for success. Discipline is the backbone of achievement. While passion and enthusiasm can ignite our journey, it is discipline that ensures we stay on course. It is the practice of doing what needs to be done, even when we don't feel like it. This commitment to consistency separates those who achieve their dreams from those who fall short. To cultivate discipline, we must establish routines and habits that support our goals. Successful individuals often attribute their achievements to the daily practices they maintain. By creating a structured environment, we reduce the chances of procrastination and create a fertile ground for productivity. It's about building a system that facilitates action rather than leaving things to chance. Discipline also involves making sacrifices. It requires us to prioritize our time and energy. This might mean saying no to short-term pleasures or distractions that do not serve our long-term goals. In this process, we must be willing to endure discomfort, as growth often happens outside our comfort zones. Embracing this discomfort is part of the journey towards greatness. Moreover, accountability plays a crucial role in maintaining discipline. Sharing our goals with others can create a support network that encourages us to stay committed. When we know someone else is invested in our success, we are more likely to hold ourselves accountable. Let us remember that discipline is not a punishment, it is a pathway to freedom and achievement. Overcoming fear and doubt. Fear and doubt are universal experiences that can paralyze even the most determined individuals. They manifest as negative thoughts that discourage us from taking action. However, we must recognize that these feelings are often illusions. The key to overcoming fear is to confront it head-on, understanding that courage is not the absence of fear, but the ability to act despite it. To conquer fear, we need to change our perspective. Instead of viewing challenges as threats, we should see them as opportunities for growth. Every obstacle presents a chance to learn, adapt, and become stronger. This mindset shift is essential. It allows us to approach our goals with confidence and resilience. Additionally, we must cultivate self-belief. Doubt often stems from a lack of confidence in our abilities. By celebrating our small victories and acknowledging our progress, we can gradually build our self-esteem. Surrounding ourselves with positive influences and role models can also inspire us to push beyond our limitations. Fear will always be a part of our journey, but it doesn't have to dictate our actions. By confronting our fears with determination and embracing the lessons they offer, we can transform them into powerful catalysts for growth. Let us remind ourselves that every successful individual has faced fear. The difference lies in their response to it. Setting realistic goals and milestones. A critical component of success is the ability to set realistic goals and milestones. It's important to dream big, but it's equally vital to break those dreams down into manageable steps. This approach prevents overwhelm and allows us to celebrate progress along the way. When we set clear, achievable goals, we create a roadmap that guides our journey. Each milestone acts as a checkpoint, allowing us to assess our progress and adjust our strategies if necessary. By celebrating these achievements, no matter how small, we reinforce our motivation and commitment. This practice fosters a sense of accomplishment, which propels us further toward our ultimate goals. Moreover, realistic goal setting requires self-awareness. We must understand our strengths, weaknesses, and available resources. This understanding helps us set goals that are challenging yet attainable. It's about finding the right balance between ambition and practicality, ensuring that our aspirations stretch us without breaking us. In this process, flexibility is key. Life is unpredictable and we may encounter unforeseen challenges. Being willing to adapt our goals and timelines ensures that we remain on track without becoming discouraged. Let us embrace the journey of goal setting as a dynamic process, one that allows for growth, adjustment, and ultimately success. Cultivating a positive mindset. A positive mindset is a powerful ally in the quest for achievement. Our thoughts shape our reality. If we dwell on negativity, we risk sabotaging our efforts. Cultivating positivity requires conscious effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. A positive mindset fosters resilience, creativity, and a willingness to take risks. To nurture positivity, we must practice gratitude. Taking time to acknowledge and appreciate our blessings shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have. This shift in perspective opens our hearts to possibility and abundance, making us more receptive to opportunities. Surrounding ourselves with positivity is equally important. The people we associate with can greatly influence our mindset. Engaging with those who uplift and inspire us fosters an environment of encouragement and support. Conversely, distancing ourselves from negativity allows us to thrive. Additionally, mindfulness practices can help us cultivate a positive mindset. Techniques such as meditation and deep breathing can ground us in the present moment, reducing anxiety and promoting clarity. By consciously directing our thoughts and energy toward positivity, we set the stage for success. Taking consistent action. Action is the bridge between intention and achievement. It's not enough to set goals and visualize success. We must take consistent steps toward our aspirations. The journey may not always be linear, but every action, no matter how small, contributes to our progress. It is this commitment to action that ultimately leads to results. To foster consistent action, we need to create a plan. This plan should outline specific steps we will take toward our goals. By breaking our aspirations into actionable tasks, we make them less daunting and more attainable. This clarity allows us to focus our energy where it matters most. Moreover, we must cultivate the habit of prioritizing action over perfection. Many individuals fall into the trap of waiting for the perfect moment to act. However, perfection is an illusion that can lead to stagnation. Embracing the concept of progress over perfection empowers us to take steps forward, even if they are imperfect. Accountability plays a significant role in maintaining consistent action. Finding an accountability partner or joining a group can provide the necessary support and encouragement. Knowing that others are invested in our journey motivates us to keep moving forward, even when we encounter obstacles. Leveraging the power of reflection. Reflection is a powerful tool for growth and development. Taking the time to assess our experiences allows us to gain valuable insights that inform our future actions. Reflection encourages us to learn from our successes and failures, enabling us to adapt our strategies and improve our performance. Regular reflection provides clarity. It allows us to step back from the hustle and bustle of daily life and evaluate our progress. By asking ourselves critical questions such as what worked well and what could I improve, we create a framework for continuous improvement. This process transforms experiences into lessons, guiding our journey towards success. Moreover, reflection fosters self-awareness. Understanding our motivations, strengths, and areas for growth empowers us to make informed decisions. It helps us identify patterns in our behavior and thought processes, allowing us to break free from unproductive cycles. Incorporating reflection into our routines can take various forms. Journaling, meditating, or simply taking quiet time for contemplation can all serve as avenues for reflection. By creating dedicated space for this practice, we prioritize our growth and development, setting the stage for future success. Building a supportive community. The journey to success is rarely a solo endeavor. Building a supportive community can amplify our efforts and provide the encouragement we need to push through challenges. Surrounding ourselves with like-minded individuals creates an environment of shared growth and accountability. A supportive community offers diverse perspectives. Engaging with others who share our aspirations allows us to exchange ideas, strategies, and insights. This collaborative spirit fosters creativity and innovation, often leading to breakthroughs we may not achieve alone. Additionally, vulnerability plays a vital role in building meaningful connections. Sharing our struggles and challenges with others creates a sense of camaraderie and trust. It reminds us that we are not alone in our journey and that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Moreover, a community provides encouragement during difficult times. When we face setbacks or moments of doubt, the support of others can reignite our motivation and remind us of our capabilities. Together, we can lift each other up, celebrating victories and navigating obstacles as a united front. In this interconnected journey, let us recognize the importance of building and nurturing our communities. By investing in these relationships, we create a robust support system that propels us toward our goals. Adapting to change and challenges. Change is an inevitable part of life, and our ability to adapt is crucial for success. Challenges will arise, often unexpectedly, testing our resolve and commitment. Embracing change rather than resisting it allows us to navigate obstacles with resilience and flexibility. Adaptability begins with a mindset shift. Instead of viewing challenges as roadblocks, we should see them as opportunities for growth. Every challenge presents a chance to learn, innovate, and become stronger. This perspective fosters a sense of curiosity and creativity, enabling us to find solutions rather than dwell on problems. Moreover, cultivating resilience is essential. Resilience is the capacity to bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward. By developing coping strategies such as mindfulness and positive self-talk, we can enhance our resilience and maintain our focus on our goals. Flexibility in our plans is equally important. While it's essential to have a clear vision, we must remain open to adjusting our strategies as circumstances change. This adaptability ensures that we remain on track even when the path becomes uncertain. Ultimately, embracing change empowers us to navigate the complexities of life with grace and confidence. By cultivating an adaptable mindset, we set ourselves up for success in the face of challenges. Committing to lifelong learning. In the pursuit of success, the commitment to lifelong learning is paramount. The world is constantly evolving, and those who remain open to learning will stay ahead of the curve. Embracing a growth mindset empowers us to seek knowledge and skills that enhance our capabilities. Learning takes many forms, from formal education to self-directed exploration. It's essential to remain curious and inquisitive, asking questions and seeking answers. This commitment to continuous growth not only enriches our lives, but also positions us as leaders in our fields. Moreover, learning from our experiences is equally important. Each success and failure holds valuable lessons that can inform our future decisions. By reflecting on our experiences, we create a feedback loop that fuels our development and growth. Additionally, sharing knowledge with others fosters a culture of learning. Teaching and mentoring not only solidify our understanding, but also inspire others to pursue their own journeys. This reciprocity creates a vibrant community of growth and innovation. As we embark on our journeys, let us commit to lifelong learning as a guiding principle. By investing in our personal and professional development, we unlock our potential and create a brighter future. Taking responsibility for your life. Taking responsibility for our lives is a cornerstone of personal empowerment. It means acknowledging that we are the architects of our own destinies. Instead of blaming external factors or circumstances, we must recognize that our choices shape our reality. This shift in mindset is liberating as it places the power to change squarely in our hands. Responsibility begins with self-awareness. Understanding our values, motivations, and areas for growth empowers us to make informed decisions. This self-knowledge serves as a compass, guiding our actions and ensuring alignment with our goals. Moreover, accountability is a crucial component of responsibility. When we take ownership of our choices, we become accountable for the outcomes. This accountability fosters a sense of integrity, motivating us to act with intention and purpose. Additionally, embracing responsibility requires a willingness to learn from mistakes. Instead of fearing failure, we must view it as an opportunity for growth. Each setback offers valuable insights that can inform our future decisions, shaping us into more resilient individuals. As we move forward, let us commit to taking full responsibility for our lives. By recognizing our power to shape our destinies, we empower ourselves to create the futures we desire. Celebrating successes, big and small. Finally, the journey toward achievement is incomplete without celebration. Acknowledging our successes, whether large or small, reinforces our motivation and commitment. Celebrating milestones creates a sense of fulfillment and joy, reminding us of the progress we've made. Celebration takes various forms. It can be as simple as taking a moment to reflect on our achievements, or as elaborate as organizing a gathering with loved ones. The important thing is to honor our efforts and recognize the hard work that has gone into our journey. Moreover, celebrating successes fosters a positive mindset. It shifts our focus from what we still need to accomplish to what we have already achieved. This perspective creates a sense of gratitude and fulfillment, empowering us to move forward with renewed energy. Incorporating celebration into our routines also cultivates resilience. When we acknowledge our successes, we reinforce our belief in our abilities. This positive reinforcement motivates us to continue striving for our goals, even in the face of challenges. As we embark on our journeys, let us remember to celebrate our successes along the way. By honoring our achievements, we fuel our passion and commitment to continue pushing forward. In conclusion, the journey towards success is a multifaceted endeavor that requires intention, discipline, resilience, and a commitment to action. By embracing these principles, we empower ourselves to overcome obstacles, adapt to change, and achieve our goals. Let us remember that the power to get it done lies within us, and as we take charge of our destinies, we unlock the potential to create the lives we desire. Together, let us forge ahead with courage and determination, committed to the journey of growth and achievement that awaits us.